I tried making a rich dough with my discard and olive oil, and I absolutely loved it. And I knew I had to try it again. So today I am making an enriched dough using my sourdough discard. What makes this dough different is the added egg yolks, yogurt, and brown sugar. I am getting a 2-in-1 with this dough. I am making sourdough dinner rolls and a brioche style kind of bread. I will mix and knead a little bit before adding the oil. Instead of butter, I'm using olive oil. I love the texture the olive oil gives to the bread when it's baked, the airy and the light fluffiness. Just when the dough has come together, I will start to add the olive oil in portions, little by little. This recipe requires kneading for at least 8 minutes. All I want is the oil to be fully absorbed and to have a stronger dough. After kneading, rest the dough for 25 minutes. After the first rest, start a stretch and fold for the first proofing. Kneading makes the dough to stretch easily, while the stretch and fold builds structure, making it smooth. I will do 2 more sets for stretch and fold. I will grease the pans and my workstation. I do not want to use flour on my workstation because it will dry out my dough. This is a sticky dough, but because the work has been put in with the kneading, it's supple and it's easy to just work with. It doesn't tear at all. I will divide the dough into 2. I do not measure, so I just eyeball. The first half is for the dinner rolls, to which I will also divide into halves, and each half is split into 4. And each piece is shaped into a round ball. For the second half, I will divide into 4 sections to shape and place into the pan. Set aside for the final proof. 2.5 hours later, I think proofed bread is delicately beautiful, if I can say that. Make an egg wash and brush the proofed dough. Bake for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And I'll do the same for the dinner rolls. Allow to cool down for at least 10 minutes before pulling or removing from the pan. So soft, airy, and fluffy it could melt. This is definitely a case of once you pull one piece out, you can't stop until it's all gone. Find the recipe in the description.